Halloween and or coming up on Halloween, and I did a box swap with somebody else. It was a Halloween themed swap, and with some makeup included, obviously. If you do box swaps, you know how much fun they are. They're super creative. My box, unfortunately, wasn't, like, I made sure it had a ton of makeup in it because I was unable to make sure that it looks super Halloween-y like hers does. Like, how cute is this? Look at this. It is adorable. Hopefully you can see everything in there. It's so nice. She did such a great job. Nancy is awesome. And she sent me this great card wishing you every happy moment that makes Halloween such a wonderful time of year. So cute. So I thought we'd check out what came in my box. So she sent lots of Halloween decorations. That was kind of the whole point of this. And the skeleton is like so cool. You just hang him up right there. And then I've got a pumpkin. She sent this cute jack-o'-lantern pen, some really bright orange nail polish. Totally want to try that on my toenails. That looks such a cool color. Then we have these two decorations, cat and pumpkin. There's a couple spiders in here all tangled up in that spider webby stuff. And then there's this cute jack-o'-lantern bag. Love this bag. Okay, so let's check out what's in the bag. So she sent me some Slim Jims, some lashes, and these are the glittery kind. I love some glittery lashes. Then we got a charcoal mask and another charcoal mask. Never get enough masks. The lip fondants, half caked. Ooh, it's a very, very bright pink. I don't know if this is like Beauty Bakery or like a knockoff of Beauty Bakery. Either way, super cool. We've got a hair scrunchie. I used to put my hair in scrunchies all the time. And they're very like 1990s, but the cool thing about them is they're super, super gentle on your hair. And now we've got a headband. Can you see that? Then we have e.l.f. lip color in berry. e.l.f. makes excellent lip products. And Ulta lip gloss. Can never have enough lip toppers. Some Skittles. I love Skittles. And then I've got some candy corn socks. Those are so cute. And then there is a keychain. And it's like a little Norwell. It's funny because I have a little Norwell thing on my bag that this sort of matches. The palette she sent me was from Makeup Revolution. It's the unicorn one. This is such a cute palette. I have this palette, so I'm a big fan of it. Isn't that pretty? They make such great shades, and this one has so many like awesome mermaidy stuff in it. I'm going to throw a picture of when I use this palette because I do love this palette. It's a great, beautiful palette. Makeup Revolution makes some amazing eyeshadows for sure. She sent me a whole bunch of candy. So I've got like Smarties and chocolates, more chocolate. Oh, I love Reese's Pieces pumpkins. Such a fun thing to do. If you haven't checked out the box swaps that you can do with people, check it out. They're a lot of fun. Make sure in a group where they, have things in place to protect everybody, because unfortunately everybody isn't super honest. But when you're in a group where you can trust everybody and where they, do things to make sure everybody gets their products, they're so much fun. And I love doing Christmas box swaps. I do them all the time. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you check out about box swap. I love Halloween. It's so much fun with stuff, and she did such a great job. So thank you so much, Nancy. Talk to you guys later.